Neglecting to back up a site. Ever work on an Excel spreadsheet or Word document and only after the application crashes or your laptop battery finally runs out do you remember that you forgot to save? Imagine writing a book and never pressing save on your manuscript. Failing to regularly back up your website is similar. You want to back up your site to not only give you a place to restore from, but also to avoid potentially losing months of downtime if something was to happen. We've seen website hosts that have claimed to have 3 different backups for a site, 1 for each of the previous 3 months, still unable to restore a site due to their own bug. And while we do have a few hosting companies that we like and endorse, you'll sleep better knowing that you have your own backup. So the fix? First of all, choose a hosting company that has an automatic backup for your WordPress that includes the underlying database, WordPress theme, all your settings, and uploaded files. Also, look for and install a backup plugin. There are a number of paid options, but you can also find some great free options that will save everything for your site to your own Dropbox account.